Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome to another Carib Fusion video. So, Alkaline has just debuted his Vendetta clothing line at the Caribbean Fashion Week. Now, there's been some changes to what he originally put out on his website. So I'm going to show the clip to you guys and you can see some of the new clothing that he has available or that he's showcasing.
From Alkaline.
So as you can see there, he still has the main, standard apparel, which is the hoodies, the graphic tees for men. But the biggest change or the biggest addition is actually for the ladies. As you can see, the font size or the font in general, the writing for the ladies are completely different. It's a little bit more stylized, which is quite nice. They also have underwear, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's a nice change, and actually it's good to see him branching out, and joining the others in the music scene who have done brands like the Popcorns, like the Drakes, like the the Jay-Z's, and just adding extra strings to his bow. So I just wanted to share this quickly with you guys, not go too long it out. Make sure you check out my last couple of videos that I did last night and let me know what you guys think about this. I want to think about the clothes. You like it, don't like it, hit or miss, let me know what you think. All right then, hit me up in the comment section, and also remember to subscribe and tap the bell icon, and also tell a friend. Man, that is a lot of requests, right? Anyway, see you guys later. Peace.